Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check your Windows 11 build and whether your Word is from the Microsoft Store, Microsoft 365, or Click to Run. This matters because update paths differ. Once done, save all documents and close Word. Make sure to close background Office processes too. You should also confirm internet access and that your device is plugged in or above 20% battery. These steps let the updater run uninterrupted, and they prevent data loss while you apply patches and feature updates. You now run the appropriate updater based on your installation. If you installed from the Microsoft Store, open the store, go to Library, and click Get Updates. That updates Word and Office apps. For Click to Run or standalone installs, open Word, choose File right arrow Account, then Update Options right arrow Update Now. This forces the Office Update agent to check and apply patches. Once done, make sure to restart Word and optionally reboot Windows so new files register. This ensures version consistency. You finish by confirming the update succeeded. Open Word, go to File right arrow Account, and read the About Word build number. This tells you why features or fixes are available. If the update failed, run Settings right arrow Apps right arrow Office right arrow Modify and choose Quick or Online Repair. This repairs corrupted components. Once done, make sure to restart, and if problems persist, sign out and back into your Microsoft account. Run WS Reset to clear the store cache, or reinstall Office to restore a clean updater state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.